how to do the OLL case 6 step by step. So let's do this. I have to see these cases formed by these 4 squares here, yellow squares, 2 down here, 1 on the right side and 2 on the left side. Now I will show how to solve it. You have to move these 2 layers up. Now you do a double move. Now you undo 1 layer. Now you undo the upper move. Now you go up again. And it's very simple, you can see. And now you undo the double move. Now I will show it a little bit faster. So let's do this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents for you. And comment below if you liked and if you want more contents like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.